In this video, today we will understand the basic principle of package separator machine. So this is our input point where material is being fed. Here you can see in this program number 5 and 6 sensor is in used, and the sensor defined as if the material pass over the high sensor, the right conveyor will be activated, and if the material pass under the high sensor and over the low sensor, in this case the left conveyor will be activated. Now I am going to show you the hydraulic based loader conveyor which is placed in between the left and right conveyor. With the help of such hydraulic loader, the material shift in the both direction as per the size of packages. This arrow mark define the storage area for the materials which is shifting towards left side, and the similar storage you can see in the right side as well. So in this way the package separator machine works. Thanks for watching my video.